friends. I am very bored sitting at home, attending the Zoom classes, seeing same episodes on the television and asking Mama to teach me something new. So today I thought I should learn something new and I am going to teach you too. So today we are going to make a choco lava mug cake. Yum! My mouth starts watering. So we'll start making the mug cake. First we need a mug. Now we add flour, means maida, 2 tablespoons. One and 2. Now we add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Now we add half tablespoon of cocoa. Oh. And now we add 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. And yes, you may need the measuring spoons. And now we add a pinch of baking soda. Now we mix it well. There may be small stones of the powdered sugar, so first you need to break it and sew it. The powdered mixture will look like this. Here. Till then we are mixing, we have to preheat a pan with a wire stand. On low flame. And cover it with a lid. Now we add half teaspoon of oil. Yes. And 1 tablespoon of milk. You may need more milk. It has to be a semi-liquid mixture. It will look like this. Now I will add a piece of chocolate, my sister's favorite chocolate, Hershey's milk chocolate. In it, and you have to cover it. the pan is preheated. Come. Yes, it's preheated. Now we put the cup in it on the wire stand and oh, it's too hot. And then cover it and let it bake for 12 minutes. Yes, you know the Hershey's milk chocolate is so yummy. I hid the one small piece of chocolate from my sister because she was finishing the chocolate, and now I think so she's crying. The smell has started to come. See, the smoke is also coming. It may be too tasty, I know. We had kept it for baking, the cake for baking for 5 to 7 minutes, and now we are going to check it by a fork. It's done, but if it remains on this, it means you need to bake your cake for some more time. But now it's done, so we take it off from the gas. Now let's remove it and taste it. It must be hot. Wow, it's too hot. It's too yummy. Now you can try it too and tell your feedback to us. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Gsisters for you. Bye. See you next time.